In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your filing in TurboTax. So over here, once you open up your TurboTax, you want to go to Tax Home over here. And in case you haven't filed yet, so you're still in the process of filing over here, you can still do this and clear your current filing and start over. Now, if you still see this screen where there's a bunch of things over here, so personal info, wages, deductions, etc., and it lets you keep going or continuing from where you left off. So for example, I can press continue over here. In case that's still happening, you'll still be able to clear your filing and start over. So you want to just open this. So you want to open up and continue from where you left off. So for example, for me, it's going to be over here. And then a left-hand menu will open over here. So there's a bunch of things. And you want to look for Tax Tools. So just click on that. And then click on Tools just below it. After that, as you can see, it says over here under other helpful links, clear and start over. That's what you want to press. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to clear your return? Clearing your return erases your information and lets you start over. And if you are sure and you want to clear your filing, what you want to do is press yes, and then wait a few seconds for everything to kind of restart and reload. And after that, you'll be able to start over. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.